let's go over to the left here and click on Plugins. And here in this page, you'll see some pre-installed plugins from Hostinger. So to start fresh on your new website, I would actually recommend deactivating and deleting these pre-installed plugins. To do that, let's go to the top here and click on this checkbox. Click into Bulk Actions, then click Deactivate, and click Apply. After that, let's go down and click the checkbox again. Click into Bulk Actions, then click Delete, and Apply. And now with that, we have a nice clean starting point for our plugins. Now from here, let's go back over to the left and click Add Plugin. And now here, let's go ahead and search for Starter Templates. Scroll down, and you'll see this plugin here. Once you find it, click Install Now. Then click Activate. Underneath Starter Templates, click Get Started. And the first thing we'll do here is go to the top right, and we'll click in right here. And we're looking for Elementor. In some cases, you may not actually have access to the Elementor page builder. So if this is happening to you, let me quickly show you how to fix it. Let's scroll down and click Exit to Dashboard. Then in the bottom left, click Settings. On this page here, just scroll all the way down, and you'll see this option here that says Disable Elementor Page Builder Templates and Starter Templates. If this is checked on, make sure it's turned off. With that turned off, click Save Changes. And now you'll have access to the Elementor page builder that we need to build our website. From here, click Plugins, click Get Started, go back over to the top right, and click Elementor. All right, so now that we have Elementor set as our page builder, this is where the fun really starts, because we get to pick our template. A template is basically a ready-made design for your website. So instead of starting from a completely blank page, you get a professional layout that you can customize and make your own. So you can think of your template basically like a starting point for your website. To find a template, you have a few different options. You can search for a specific one here at the top, and they also have these pre-made categories here. So if you're building a specific kind of website, they may have a template that's perfect for you here. And you can also just scroll through the home page here and see if any of the templates stand out to you. I also want to quickly mention here that any templates that have this premium tag in the top right, you'll have to pay to use these. But if you see a template like this that doesn't have the premium tag in the top right, this template is totally free to use. Once you find the template that you like, go ahead and click on it. And on the right side here, you can scroll through and actually check out how the template looks. You can check out all the different sections. And for most templates, if you scroll up to the top and you click on this menu icon right here, you can actually go through and check out the other pages as well. I like the look of this template, so I'll go with this one here. On the left side here, you have some more options like uploading your logo, which we'll do a little bit later. You can also change out the font pairing here. And you also have an option to change the color palette. Once you've made your selections, go down and click Continue. And here you can select the features that you want on your website. At a minimum, you just need the page builder and contact form. So everything else you see here is totally optional. In my case, I'll toggle off the SEO and search visibility, scroll down, and click Continue. From here, click Skip and Start Building. And now Starter Templates will begin building your website. This process takes a few moments to complete, so I'll fast forward and meet you at the next step. And then once it's done, go ahead and click on View Your Website. And after you click on that, you'll be brought to your website for the first time. And there it is. Your website is online for the very first time. And if you haven't gotten started just yet, don't forget to go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link down in the video description to get access to the lowest price available for your hosting. Thanks for watching this video. If it helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. With that said, I'll see you in the next video.